So we're going to do an engine start and interior function. We have a clean emissions. Clear clean emissions, 182, 537 current. Clock works here. E-brake. Holds. You go off the gas. And if we drop it, e-brake does hold as it should. We're going to go through four-wheel drive in the next video. But air works in all modes. Everywhere you go, you see compressor kicks on. Works as it should. Radio works as it should. We'll do four-wheel drive. Overdrive goes on. ECT power operates as it should. Oops. All lights operate as they should. And this one does as well. Windows. Windows. Box. All work as they should. And mirrors. All work as they should. Cruise control does work too. Horn. All lights illuminate. You can't see it now, but they all do illuminate as they should. And we'll show you the engine. Smooth running. Time well done. 171K, 2018. Like I say, it was only California, Southern California, lived his entire life. He gets by the beach, he gets some coastal, so that's why there is some areas on the radiator support that have some corrosions on them. But it's not a rusted out, salted out truck, so it's very nice. No leakings of any kind that I can find anywhere. Super smooth. Super nice running and driving truck. I'm super happy with it.